In this video, we'll show you how to install an SSL certificate using SSL Manager. SSL Manager is built for cPanel and allows you to install certificates to your website in several ways, depending on your setup. First, we'll go through how to use the plugin to install an SSL certificate if you use Wordpress installed via cPanel. To start the process, open your Namecheap account dashboard, then go to the SSL certificates page. Locate the certificate and select Activate or Reissue, depending on which process you're carrying out. Next, choose the domain you'd like to install the certificate to. Then select Server-Side Automation. Installing SSL Manager directly on WordPress is by far the easiest method if you have a WordPress site. To do this, download the plugin, as shown here, but make sure you copy and save the security token shown below the downloads. You'll need this later. Don't share the token with anyone. It might compromise the security of your SSL. Now, you can install the plugin. Make sure you leave the Namecheap tab open. You'll need it later. Navigate to the admin side of your WordPress site. Usually, this can be found at yoursite.com/wp-admin, or it can be accessed by your cPanel account. From here, click Plugins in the left sidebar. Select Add Plugin. Then, click Upload Plugin. Choose the file you downloaded just now, which is called sslmanager.zip. Once it's uploaded, click Install Now. Hit Activate Plugin. You'll be transferred to the Install Plugins page. Now, you should see SSL Manager in the left sidebar. On the next page, click Install. Next, you'll be prompted to paste your security token in the box and click Submit. If everything worked as it should, you'll see the following screen. Now, head back to your Namecheap tab and proceed with the activation. Click on Next. Check that everything is set up correctly and finish the activation process. Your certificate will be validated within approximately 7 to 8 minutes. Once this happens, the SSL is installed and your site is secure. Thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave your comment under this video or check out our knowledge base at namecheap.com for more tips and support.